20th aphorism. This spirit-like power to alter men's state of health, which lies hidden in the inner nature of medicines, can in itself never be discovered by us by a mere effort of reason. See, when you want to know the power of the medicine, because in last aphorism we discussed the medicine power is also spirit-like power. So when you want to know the power of the medicine, it is not possible to detect by the mere effort of reason. Okay? What is the meaning of the reason? It is the explanation of the cause of some phenomena. Okay? We can not able to explain about that one. Then how you know? It is only by the experience of the phenomena it displays when acting on the state of health of man that we can become clearly cognizant of it. By the experience only we know the action of the medicine. How you know the action of the medicine? By the experience. When you prescribe the medicine to the health of the man, when it produces some alteration, now you know the action of the medicine, no? Because something is there, it is not possible to by giving mere explanation. For example, we can able to differentiate between the sugar and the sweetness. It is also the same example for the vital force. Because sugar is there, sweetness is there. Clear? Now, when you give the explanation for the sugar, you just give an article, the research article regarding the sugar. Just explained about the physical property of the sugar. It is a white color, it is a salty, okay, or in the nature of the heart, it is usually dissolved in the water like that one. Because it is also possible to explain chemically. Yes, these the molecules are there. These chemical structures are present. So this such amount of carbon is there, such amount of the hydrogen is there, such amount of the nitrogen is there. So like that you can give the mere explanation what is sugar. You can also prove that one. But anybody asking about the sweetness, because you just explain that sugar, it gives the sweetness. Okay, doctor? Okay, sir. Can you explain what is sweetness? How you explain? How you convey the nature of the sweetness to the others? No, it is not possible to explain. Unless otherwise that person is experienced with the sugar or the taste of the sugar or the taste of the sweetness. Okay? So with experience only he can be learned. Like that our homeopathic medicine, by the experience only can know. Like that of the vital force. It is not possible to give the explanation to anyone. Only by the experience only we can learn. So in the 20th and 21st aphorism, Hahnemann explained what is curative in medicine. Okay? Clear? 21 aphorism. Now, as it is undeniable that the curative principle in medicines is not in itself perceptible. Yes, the curative medicine cannot be seen by itself. And as in pure experiments with the medicines conducted by the most accurate observers. Okay? And also that experiments which is conducted by the most accurate observers, nothing can be observed that can constitute the medicines or remedies except the power of causing distinct alteration in the state of the health of the human body. Whoever it may be, when they want to know the medicine, that medicine must produce or causing distinct alteration in the state of the health of the human body, and particularly in that of the healthy individual. When you want to know the action of the medicine, that medicine must be administered to the healthy individual. Okay? And of exciting in him various definite morbid symptoms. Okay? So when you administer medicine to the healthy individual, that person start to produce the morbid symptoms. So it follows that when medicines act as remedies, they can only bring their curative property into play by means of this their power of altering men's state of health by the protection of the peculiar symptoms. So clearly, Hanuman mentioned that when medicines are act as the remedies means that when you administer the remedy and when you want to know the curative property means it is only what disease producing power in the healthy individual. Okay, so when you want to know the action of the medicine means that medicine must produce changes peculiar symptoms in the healthy individual, because in homeopathy mainly based upon the uncommon peculiar symptoms. Particularly when you refer that 153 aphorism, Hanuman mentions striking singular uncommon peculiar symptoms or catus symptoms. Okay, so the curative, when you say that this is the curative property of the medicine means that medicine acts on the healthy individual and produce that uncommon peculiar symptoms, and that therefore we have only to rely on the morbid phenomena which the medicines produce on the healthy body. Okay, so when you say this medicine produce, when you say or when you want to depends upon the cure, it is only produce the changes in the healthy human being. Okay, so and that therefore we have only to rely, RELY, rely means having faith or confidence on the morbid phenomena which the medicines produce in the healthy body as the sole possible revelation of their indwelling curative power. Okay, so repeatedly Hanuman told, when you want to know the power of the medicine, that medicine acts upon the healthy human body and produce the peculiar symptoms. That's all. No more confusion. Because when you want to give the cure to any disease individual, we just select the medicine based upon the uncommon peculiar symptoms which is already produced on the drug proving. Okay, we just collect the uncommon peculiar symptoms from the patient. We already discussed the totality and we just matching the totality with the drug proving. Okay, so in order to learn what disease producing power and at the same time what disease curing power each individual medicine possesses. Okay, so because what disease producing power in the healthy human being is nothing but an what disease curing power in the sick individual. So in this 21, Hanuman clearly mentioned, when you want to know the power of the medicine, that medicine must produce the symptoms, must produce the peculiar symptoms in the healthy individual only. Okay, so the peculiar symptom which is produced by the medicine is the only thing which can give the cure to the diseased individual. Clear? That is the conclusion. What disease producing power is nothing but an what disease curing power. Okay?